Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix Samsung Galaxy A15 fast charging not working issue. So to fix this issue, first of all open settings. Now in settings scroll down and here click on battery and device care. Now in battery and device care click on battery and here scroll down and click on more battery settings. Now here you will see a fast charging button. So if you have turned off this button, then turn it back on, and after that go back and here scroll down and click on software update. Now click on download and install to update mobile software to latest version. After updating the software, go back to your home screen and swipe down and here click on this icon. Now click on restart and restart your mobile.